Right, here we go. I'm going to be sowing a verbena sparkling mix. It's not like the other verbena I've just sown, which I put in the fridge for a couple of weeks to improve germination. This one you can plant straight into a tray. So, as we've done before, we're going to be filling the compost tray up with a good general purpose organic compost from your local garden centre. Make sure any big bits are broken down. Nearly there. Right, that looks about right. Give it a good bring down. And there we go. Nice firm bed. Yeah, the verbena sparkling mix. This is the plant. As you can see, beautiful flower. It says here on the packet that 125 seed, it grows up to 20 centimetres, and it flowers February to April, flowers June to October. So let's have a look at the seeds. You know it. First time for everything. Like a little bit tiny. A little bit bigger. Right. There we go. Can you see the seeds there? So I'm sowing two different varieties in this tray. I'll just go up to halfway, sprinkle them on top. Don't use a full packet if you've only got a small garden like me. Just use how many you're going to need. There we go. Nearly done. Try and space them out well. Then cover with half a centimetre of fried compost. So rub your hands together. That's what I tend to do. Get any big bits. And then leave to soak. Water from the bottom of the tray. 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll give that a good going over. That's verbena sparkling mix. Keep you updated in a few weeks. Thank you, bye.